Hi, you're watching news with me, Meher Sheikh. Let's begin with the top headlines. After 40 days of hearing in a high drama, the Ayodhya title dispute case ended today, an hour before the deadline, and the Supreme Court has reserved the judgment. Earlier in the day, senior advocate Rajiv Dhawan, representing the Sunni Waqf Board, tore up papers handed to him by the Hindu Mahasabha's counsel. He later said that it was done on the court order. Now the apex court asked the parties to file written submission on molding of relief in 3 days. Rebel Congress leader ASHOK today extended his support to the DUSHYANT JJP, terming the move a surgical strike on his former party. TANWAR alleged that the workers were ignored in Congress because of some arrogant people. Adding further, he said that he would campaign against Congress in this Haryana Assembly elections. A migrant labourer from Chhattisgarh was shot dead by terrorists today in Katpora area of Pulwama in Jammu and Kashmir. Soon after the incident, police have cordoned off the area where the incident occurred and is on the hunt of the terrorist responsible for the killing of the civilian. In other news, 3 terrorists were gunned down by security forces in an encounter in Jammu and Kashmir's Anantnag district this morning. After the CBI, now the Enforcement Directorate today arrested P. Sitharaman in connection with its probe in the INX Media money laundering case after questioning him in Tihar jail for almost 2 hours. The ED has sought 14 days custodial interrogation from the court. Meanwhile, the Delhi court has issued a production warrant against Sitharaman in the case. At a rally in Maharashtra's Akola, PM Modi tore into the Congress, calling them political opportunists for questioning link between Article 370 and Maharashtra elections. He lashed out at them, saying "Doob Maro," kicking up a fresh storm. He further said at one time there were regular incidents of terrorism and hatred in Maharashtra. Modi reminded that the culprits got away and settled in different countries. In a clear reference to the Congress, Modi pointed out to the party as those responsible for allowing the criminals to escape as they were in power then. The Supreme Court today directed the Jammu and Kashmir administration to place before it orders issued by authorities to impose communication restrictions in the state following amendments to Article 370 on August 5th. The order came after petitioner Anuradha Bhasan sought to know the orders under which the communications blockade was put in place, alleging that the administration suppressed relevant orders notifications under which the communications shutdown was enforced. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has said that the Indian public sector banks had the worst phase under the combination of former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh and RBI Governor Raghuram Rajan. At a lecture at the Columbia University's School of International and Public Affairs, Sitharaman said, "Giving all the public sector banks a lifeline is today her primary duty." World Bank said India has halved its poverty rate since the 1990s and achieved a 7+ growth rate over the last 15 years. India's rapidly growing economy needs investment in infrastructure, and estimated 8.8% of GDP or $343 billion a year until 2030. It further said India will need to achieve greater resource efficiency as it sustains growth given its resources, endowments, and large population. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates.